G'day guys, it's Ben again, here to bring you another video, and this one is going to be doing a review of the Hanwei Viking Thrusting Spear. I bought this particular one from a company called Southern Swords in England. It cost me £66, which is about 130, 140 or so dollars Australian. And I really like it. I've mounted it onto a piece of 26mm, 1.8 metre Tasmanian oak dowel. I find this works really well. These present exceptionally well. If we just take a look at the detailing here, it is phenomenal. It is truly phenomenal. Now these have a 26.5cm blade, and it is roughly 40 centimeters long in total, and it weighs about 468 grams. They're not sharp, so they're perfect for reenactment and for education tours and that kind of thing. Please note, it is a pointed end, so many reenactment groups or SCA groups don't like these. You'll need to bend them back. That is possible, or you can just simply buy other ones for that kind of purpose. But these are really nice. I really do like it. I did find the price on this particular one just a little bit high, so overall, look, I'm thinking 7 out of 10. And the customer service though from Southern Swords is pretty high. I think I got a really good deal. I don't think there's a lot more to say. These are really good pieces for anything you're doing, which is kind of if you're doing reenactment in that whole kind of 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th century period, these are a really good item to have, and I highly recommend doing a bit of research, finding some good deals, and getting some good pieces. Reenactment is all about having good quality pieces, not having quantity. A lot of people, let's face it, we all do it, go out there and we end up with too much gear. We end up with, you know, chests of swords and helmets all around the house, and it's just not really necessary. So I strongly advocate getting good quality stuff over rubbish. But there we go. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you in my next video.